Another fantastic week for all generative AI users. OpenAI made the 4.5 model accessible to everyone now.
Wait a minute. You are here for money. You want to make money from yesterday because you have a day job. You don't have time. But my friend, that's not an excuse. In my previous videos, we figured that you have at least 4 hours per day to try and learn a side hustle. I don't want to go back and tell you that if you spend 4 hours per day learning and trying, then in 30 days, you spend 120 hours and become an expert on any topic. And this video right here is a perfect example. So you are going to make money from this video, inshallah. Stay tuned, watch the full video. Mosh, is there a guarantee that I can make money? No, there is no guarantee that you are going to make money, but there is a guarantee that what I am saying is the truth. This guy, Rabbi Hassan right here, made $300 in passive affiliate commissions just 22 minutes ago. Now, there is a catch. Rabbi is our team member. He works for us. It means he knows that deep inside that our 99% done for you program works perfectly. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts. Then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and make sure you switch on the notification bell button because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. And that's why he put in the action on daily basis. By taking action, I mean this, using this time. And Rabbi is not the only one. And this is not his first commission. On my Instagram page, you'll find these highlights, student results, student success. Click those highlights and find tons and tons of people making high ticket affiliate commissions. And if you are interested to learn more about our 99% done for you program, simply go to 99dfy.com. Alternatively, you can click the link in the description. This website will ask for your email. Put your email and it will take you to this training page. Make sure you watch the full training from start to end in order to learn about our 99% done for you system. If you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat agent. It's a smart one and it will answer all your questions. If you still have questions, simply DM me on Instagram or Facebook and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Sounds good? So now you have a 99% done for you system. And also this video is completely free to watch. Now we can go back and learn the new money method. This video is about ChatGPT's recent edition 4.5. Why does it matter? Because this whole AI thing is making everyone money, including this guy and my students like Rabbi. So I have watched this full video. It's 19 minutes long video, wonderful information. I learned a lot about AI, especially the information about Grok. Grok 3 is the latest version of Grok AI and it is 100% free, which means really free for everyone. You are looking at my free account and see what I have done with Grok yesterday. I have coded a complete website. That's the website, my friend, fully designed. Now you might be saying, Mosh, I have no idea about website. Don't worry about it. I wanted to share this with you. So here's what I have done. I have seen a guru. I mean, he's a real guru. He's one of my first mentors. He is running paid advertisement on this page. So what I have done is I took this page link and asked Grok to create a sales page for me using a similar theme. I did not steal everything. It is not 100% same as this website, but guess what? The money-making website is created in just a couple of minutes, fully coded, fully done for you using a simple instruction. And it is 100% free. I came to know about this free stuff from this video. But then why is it talking about GPT 4.5? Because according to him, GPT 4.5 is better for writing. However, I haven't tested yet myself, but I have tested Claude Sonnet 3.7 to write a complete 134-page book yesterday in just 1 hour. And I recorded the whole process in a video. Find the video on my channel or somewhere near this video or maybe in the description. We even got the latest, the most perfect book writing prompt, a complete prompt. Now, why does it matter? Because these books have been making me money. One of the books made us $27,000 so far. Okay, Mosh, I'm confused. You're talking about a lot of things and they're all going over my head. Can you please put them into one place and show me the money? Yes, my friend. Give me a second. The reason I was interested in this video in the first place is that this video got 18,911 views in just one day. You may hate views, but for me, views are important because all these commissions earned by my affiliates, these affiliates promoted my products, my digital products. And they made these commissions. I'll give you an example. This affiliate made $476,000. Another affiliate made $215,000. Another affiliate made $124,000. And I can go on and on showing you results of thousands of affiliates. But you know what? All of these commissions were made from sales. Sales of my digital products to these people. Our affiliates right here, by the way, I blurred out the names for privacy. They send people, real people, or traffic to our digital products. They bought our products, and when there was a sale, our affiliates made these commissions. That's the exact same way these students and these students made money. And that's exactly the same way Rabbi made money. By the way, please help me congratulate Rabbi as he became father of a beautiful daughter recently. So that all this money and everything is a blessing. So these views are the people. That is why views are so important. Okay, cool. Mosh, can you show me something different and something better than making these face videos? Because I don't want to show my face. In fact, I don't even want to use social media, but I want to make money since yesterday. My friend, showing your face is not important. For example, nobody wants to see my face, but people want the content. And you can use news content as your content. In fact, you can make it even easier. For example, if you go to my Instagram page or TikTok page or YouTube, you'll find a lot of my videos are not exactly my videos. Let me give you a quick example. You see, this is not really my video. I used another person's video and reacted on that video. So this is basically a reaction video on another video creator's video. And let me show you what kind of results I got from this video. From this video, we got 212,000 views and 4,261 additional followers only from this video. And this is not the first time I published this video. I probably published it more than 30 times. Here is another one, 10,000 views, and we got 52 followers from this one video. We uploaded the same video many times over and got followers. Those followers turn into visitors, and when they buy something, we make money. By the way, I have another video about a full training on reaction videos. I'll put the link somewhere here or here in the description. Watch it when you have time. But there is a problem. Some people ask me, is it legal or halal or ethical to use other people's videos as a part of my content? Some people even complain that all I do is comment about other people's video. Okay, so I thought this is a perfect opportunity to put ChatGPT 4.5 into test and see how it handles this objection. So I said, I want to teach my students who are learning how to make money using digital marketing, AI, affiliate marketing, and basically make money with side hustle aside from their 9-to-5 day job. I want to explain to them why reaction videos are great. One of the reasons is when we are doing the reaction video, we start with the video we react on and blah, blah, blah. So I put my context there and I asked ChatGPT to make a table explaining why reaction videos are great. So one of the reasons is reuse popular hooks. Remember when I started my video? I started with the first line from this video. That was the hook. And that gives me a benefit of starting my videos easily and get quick attention. Because this video has already proven itself as an important or a popular video. And this reason has a 5 out of 5 rating. Because you use hooks already proven to work and catch viewers easily. Then you can expand proven topics. No guessing needed. Topics are already popular. 5 out of 5. You pick videos people already love, saving time and effort. Now, these do not make reaction videos legit. Reaction videos are legit when you add unique opinion. That is the purpose of reaction video. So although I started my video with this video, but I did not show you the full video stealing the content from this guy. Instead, I am adding my unique opinions. And this way I'm creating new content easily. I can teach and I can entertain to some extent if I want to. It's completely legal and ethical because come on, I started the video from another guy. But am I really using his video? Not so much. Grow channel faster? Well, you saw the results on Instagram and you see tons of results on TikTok. But yesterday I received this email, a congratulations email for getting 4,500 subscribers on this channel. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't yet, my question, why not? Am I not trying enough to help you make more money? If you think I'm trying, subscribe today and switch on the notification bell button. Because when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you whenever we upload a new video. Yes. Oh, by the way, ask your friends and family to subscribe to the channel as well. I love you too in advance. Guys, there is an interesting thing. Did you notice the first letter of the Y is bold and highlighted? Again, the E, the A, the C, because I asked ChatGPT to create an interesting acronym and it did that. So I think ChatGPT 4.5 did it extremely well. But hey, I want to copy the same prompt and ask our free AI Habibi Grok 3 and see what result we get and how fast it is. Now, I'm not going to edit anything. Look at this. I am looking at this in front of you. My goodness, subhanallah. I want to check the acronym. Where is the acronym? Okay, this is interesting. This acronym is React Now. And it was fast, wasn't it? Okay, now can we give it a quick look? The reason you use a video hook. Yeah, true. Topic is already popular. You add your own spin. Entertains like crazy. Okay, not sure about it, but it's possible. Teaches plus entertains. Totally legal fun. Reason, no stealing, just borrowing with credit. Yes, when I react on any video, I give them full credit. I show the channel, I show the name. Easy to start, absolutely. Builds your brand for sure. Do you know KSI? I don't know about now, but I saw KSI making hundreds of reaction videos back in the days. I don't know about now, but in the past, yes, he did. Okay, back to Grok. Quick cash potential. Views equals dollars with ads or links. Yes. Everyone loves them. Even your grandma might watch. Haha. Grok is funny, right? And you have a written breakdown. We got the full acronym here. Okay. Why not we use Sonnet 3.7 and see what we get? Let's go, Sonnet. It's working. Look, Sonnet is fast, super fast. And this is interesting. Whenever it gives you a result, it gives you on the right side. So you can see when it's working and also you can see the results live. This is beautiful. The animations are great on Claude Sonnet. But hey, I think writing ability is far better than ChatGPT or Grok. But hey, I think Claude has the best of the best writing ability. Although from this video, I learned that Claude is better for coding. Kind of interesting. Okay, here is a unique system. Click publish and it will allow you to publish and copy link. Now you can paste the link and go to the result. Isn't it great? The first reason, write on viral content. Easy to create, authentic personality shines. Why reaction videos are totally legal. Fair use protection. Oh, this is great. I needed this. Adding new value, insight, provides education, review aspect. All these made it completely legal and ethical and halal. Of course, if you're using halal video to react on. Amazing benefits of reaction videos. Oh, great. So this table is basically divided into 3 parts with 3 headlines. Looks much better to me. So React plus fair use framework. React plus fair use. Wow. I think this is much better. I want you to take a screenshot. Go ahead, take a screenshot. Another screenshot and take another screenshot. Now this one, take this screenshot again. Now you have the whole information. So how is this video making you money? You can simply do reaction videos or news-like videos and grow like me. Grow like this guy. Grow like my Instagram page, 175,000 followers, and my TikTok page, almost 300,000 followers. And you can make money like our students of the 99% Done For You program. And like Rabbi, just by going to 99dfy.com, watch this free training, ask questions to my AI agent, or get your answers by asking me directly via Instagram DM or Facebook inbox message, and get traffic, customer sales, and commissions like these affiliates, and by using 45 minutes to 90 minutes of your time per day. Was this video helpful? If yes, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button. It's important because that's the only way YouTube can find you and notify you when we will upload our next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you in the next video.